Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello there, pupils! I am Teacher MJ, your reading rescuer of the day.
To begin with, we have letter R. Letter R says
raw,
R as in ring, R as in rabbit, and R as in rainbow. Let's try to read these few words. R as in rose, R as in rope, and R as in red. Once again, R as in
raw,
say it with me.
raw,
Great job! Another letter says say hi and hello to letter H. H as in say it with me. H as in hen. H as in hat. And H as in heart. Let's try to identify the following pictures that starts with letter H. What is in the picture? Correct. It's a hammer. Hammer. Next one. What is the name of this animal? You're right. It's a horse. Horse. Finally, what can you see on the picture? Exactly. It's a picture of a house. House. Those are just few words that starts with letter H. With the sound. Everybody, let's say H as in. Very good. Lastly, we have letter B as in B. Say it with me. B, B, B. B as in bag. B as in bed. B as in bacon. And B as in butterfly. Let's study the following pictures. Can you name it for me? Yes, it's a burger. Do you eat burger too? Wow, that sounds good. How about this one? Correct. It's a ball. Say it again. Ball. Very good. Once more, these are the words that starts with letter B. Bag, bed, bacon, butterfly, burger, and finally, ball. Again, what is the sound of letter B? Alright, B, B, B. Now let's have a recap. We learned the phonemes R as in red, H as in hat, and finally B as in ball. Always remember this, kids, for this will help you to become a good reader and hopefully a reading rescuer too someday.
This has been Teacher MJ, your reading rescuer of the day. See you soon!